more than 60 years, the East Beltline Bridge has served as a key connector to our community. What was once a rural roadway is now a major thoroughfare, handling thousands of vehicles every single day. Our bridge was not designed for this level of traffic. It is outdated, overburdened, and in urgent need of replacement. This investment is a game changer for Grand Rapids to ensure that our infrastructure is safer, more accessible, and that it's built to last.
Since 1961, we've rehabbed it, we've patched it, we've fixed it, all while the traffic volumes keep rising. We're up to over 50,000 cars a day that actually use this roadway. So obviously, in being built in 1961, I do believe it has served us very well, but probably qualifies for Medicare at this point.
The East Beltline Bridge, as it already has been mentioned, was original to the highway construction back in the 1960s when much of this area was rural and agricultural. And since that time, over the last 60 plus years, has seen significant growth and development, providing important jobs and services to this region, including healthcare, grocery stores, entertainment, emergency services, churches, educational institutions, and of course the regional destination of Frederick Meyer Gardens.
Kent County and the entire Grand Rapids area is really one of the fastest growing regions of our state. And updating our roads and bridges is important to all of us. The reconstruction of this bridge will provide new, safe ways for connecting our incredible trails and our communities.
It builds on the work that we've done in the state legislature to improve connectivity, sustainability, and equity across Michigan, because our residents deserve healthy, connected communities that support a high quality of life.
So not only is this going to be replacing the structure, providing additional lanes that's going to improve congestion. You're going to have direct auxiliary lanes that go to the ramps, so you're not going to have those pinch points. But it's going to set us up for even more work in the future. There's a big vision for this whole area, starting with the flip on 96 that we did several years ago. This is another piece, and we're going to make sure that when we build this project that it's going to allow for those future improvements.
This bridge is more than concrete and steel. It is a symbol of what we can accomplish when we come together as a community. A stronger, safer East Beltline Bridge means a stronger and safer Grand Rapids. This is how we move our community forward, by making smart, forward-thinking investments that will benefit everyone.